Let's take apart the second Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, I already took apart the smaller one, and this is a slightly bigger one. It's by 1 centimeter total, smaller diameter, or maybe slightly less than 1 centimeter. But the speaker should be the same because it has a thicker bezel. So let's see. This should have 3 screws by my estimation. Let's just feel it out. Up here, I think. Wait. It's not there. Let's take this off. Nothing under there. Wait. Here, okay, here's a screw. And probably diagonally another one. Yeah, here. So let's see. Let's break away the foam because that will get in the way. And here. Oh, here. Why there? That's not exactly diagonal. It's slightly to the right. Maybe there's another one here. Nope. Just those two. And they are not centered. Or maybe here is another one. Nope. Oh well. I ruined the foam. Let's just take it apart. This also has a really shit battery, just like the other one, like 180 milliamps. Maybe enough for an hour of music play at lower volume. But yeah. Let's open it up. Come on. Am I gonna break a nail here? Let's, oh, like that. Oh, this must be a newer one, because the other one was although the size of the case. But here it's smaller. We have a better power. This is for power, I think. This little fellow. Or is that the quartz? I can't tell. But it also has that RGB LED that lights up the transparent top. And yeah, let's get it out. Let's see what year is it from. Also a one-sided circuit board. So let's see. Oh, the model number is here, hidden. It's from 2020, okay, so this must have slightly newer Bluetooth standard. It's from 20th of April 2020. And the model is Y-YD01 version 2. Okay. The same small shit battery, exactly like in this one. I mean, identical. And USB port that has only the power wired up. No. If you can see, all the pins are wired to something. Huh. That's interesting. And then the chips, if you're interested, I'm not gonna read it, just show it. Oh, like that. This one is the processor, I think, and this contains the software. That's how I understood it. Come on. Yeah, like this. And yeah, memory card, USB, power on switch, And here's the charging LED. And yeah. Oh, this must be the quartz. This thing. It's slightly different, but the same thing basically. And yeah, nothing interesting about this either. Just the shit battery, the same size speaker. Oh wait. The speaker is inside here. What? Let's just take this down. As you can see, what's happening here? Is it a bigger speaker? Yes. The magnet is definitely bigger. Look. A much bigger magnet. And yeah. Can we? No, we can't take it apart without breaking it. I tried to poke it, but it's probably stuck in there, like the other one. Yeah, it's stuck. So this must have a bigger speaker. Same specs probably, but at least it's bigger, with a bigger magnet. And maybe has potential to be in a bigger box and more powerful. So can I get this off so we can see? Yeah, this was probably hit and bent. So I can't remove it, but yeah. Basically the same thing with a bigger speaker. Heavier speaker, a lot heavier with a bigger magnet. And this was the more expensive one. This one was $3, this was $2. And yeah, I'll have to replace the batteries on both if I can find a good replacement, because these are just 180 and 190, I think, or vice versa. One of them is just slightly bigger, like by 5-10%. So yeah. These are the cheap Bluetooth speakers nowadays. And yeah, I'll leave a link below. Maybe I'll do a follow-up once I will write in the description if I replace the battery and how long it lasts when I upgrade to 500 milliamp hours at least. So yeah, see you in the next video.